so this is my minimalist urban travel pack. It's basically everything that I think you would need, whether it's for a short trip or a long trip. So this is my backpack. This is the REI Trail 40 pack, and you want to find something between 20 liters and 40 liters in size. Get something that opens up from the top so you can just reach in and grab something quick, but also opens up all the way so that when it's laying flat you can see everything inside and pack it well. I went ahead and I added this bungee cord on the outside. It's actually meant for shoes, shoelace, but when the pack is not very full, it will cinch everything together and sort of pull it together and make it tight. And when the pack is a lot more full and has a lot of stuff in it, it will expand outwards and accommodate what's inside. Next up is top half clothing. This is all of your shirts, everything like that. A lot of people like to use packing cubes. I like to use these simple nylon drawstring bags. They are easier to use, easier to get in and out of. You don't need to mess with a zipper. You can just reach in and grab what you need. They also don't have a defined shape, so they'll fit and mold to whatever shape they need to be in your bag. And they're also super cheap and simple to get online. You can get these for next to nothing on eBay, and they're really useful. Shirts. I like to have 4 short sleeve shirts. That way I have 1 on me and 3 clean ones ready to go. Boom, 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 boom. 1 long sleeve shirt. Something that's thin and comfortable and helps keep you warm. 1 button-up shirt or interesting top, maybe a dress if you're a lady or an interesting dude. Mix it up a little. 1 beanie or warm hat. When it gets really cold, you'll be glad you have it. This one's made out of merino wool. Always a great travel fabric. 1 baseball cap or hat, basically something with some sun protection. Last up on top, one of these puffy jacket dealios. Puffer jackets or down jackets. These things are super lightweight, they compress down to a really small size, and they keep you very warm. I used a sweater for a long time. When I got one of these, it was game over for that sweater. Next up, bottom half clothing to cover up your business parts. I'm using one of these simple nylon bags again. This one's slightly different color from the top half clothing, so I can easily tell them apart. First item up is a comfortable pair of jeans. Jeans are just the most versatile and durable pair of pants that you can bring on a trip. These are a pair of stretchy jeans from Gap. If you don't have stretchy jeans, then try to fix that because these things are super comfortable and awesome. Next up, 4 pairs of boxers or underwear, 1 pair on you and 3 clean pairs ready to go. Same thing with socks, 4 pairs of socks. Last is a pair of athletic shorts, something that you can wear whether you're working out or going in the pool, something that dries quickly and is lightweight. Next up is a bag for your shoes, 1 pair of comfortable shoes, something you can move around in, and 1 pair of sandals. Last up is a dirty clothes bag, something that you can throw your dirty clothes into and keep them separated. This one is an awesome lightweight dry bag, so you can roll the top, seal it up, and it is airtight. It also is waterproof, so what you can do if you're in a pinch is put a bunch of water in there, throw a bunch of soap in there, seal it up, mix it all up, and basically wash your clothes like that if you don't have access to a machine. Alright, that's it for clothes. Now moving on to fun stuff. Laptop and charger for typing stuff and clicking on stuff. Gotta have headphones. Wallet, cell phone, keys. I bring a wall outlet charger and a small battery bank. This wall outlet charger is great. It's a smart charger, so it will adjust the voltage and amplitude depending on what it's charging. And this is just a simple little battery bank, enough to charge up a cell phone, maybe a little bit more, and that's it. Cable for my cell phone. This is a general USB cable for other devices. And I bring one of these little adapters. This is an adapter from micro USB to Apple's Lightning connection, just in case I want to help charge up a friend's phone or something like that. Give your buddy some juice. This is the Bose SoundLink Micro. It's a little bit of extra weight to have in your bag. This thing weighs just over a half a pound, but it's so nice to have some music on a real speaker, use it on your laptop and watch a movie with someone else. Well worth it in my opinion. I always bring a bandana. There are so many uses for it. Headband, sleeping mask, handkerchief, very useful. Sunglasses to block the evil sun rays. Microfiber travel towel and sunscreen. The next thing is one small fun item. Right now I've got a harmonica. You could bring a book, learn some French, learn some Mandarin, read about the Holocaust. Alright, next up is a food bag for your snacks and various tasty noms. I'll throw in an apple, maybe some dark chocolate, water bottle of course, and some extra Ziploc bags. Alright, next up is toiletry bag to stay fresh and clean. First is toothbrush for scrubbing chomps, toothpaste, Dr. Bronner's Awesome Stuff all-purpose soap, little bottle full of Advil. This is a little spray bottle with isopropyl alcohol in it. I use it to disinfect. You can spray it in your shoes, spray it on your feet, and just generally use it to stay more clean. Little bottle full of antihistamines because I am allergic to the world. Earplugs. These things are a lifesaver for using when you're going to sleep in a noisy environment. Use them on public transit. Very useful. Glasses cleaning cloth, few band-aids, eye drops, flossers or floss, razor, little bottle full of lotion. I use aloe, chapstick, tweezers, scissors, and nail clippers. Snippety snip snip. Alright, now time to pack it up.
I can't stay.
Okay, so I got everything in this pack. It is all packed up. I can stay for a weekend, I can stay for 2 weeks, and I've got everything that I need. So thanks for watching.